and you're now with the Forerunner Chronicles. On July 27, 2009, by an overwhelming majority vote of 13-6, the Senate Nominating Committee approved that Judge Sonia Sotomayor should be our country's 111th United States Supreme Court Justice, giving Mystery Babylon the Great, the mother of harlots according to Revelation chapter 17, which is none other than the papacy led out by Pope Benedict XVI himself, giving that satanic organization a 6-3 majority vote in our nation's most influential judicial body. Because with the approval of Judge Sotomayor as a justice on the United States Supreme Court, this gives us a total of 6 Roman Catholics on the panel of 9 Supreme Court justices. Now, if what I just told you doesn't trouble you, then you've been watching too much SpongeBob SquarePants. But if what I'm going to tell you next doesn't get you at the very edge of your seat, if not falling off of your seat, then I'm convinced that you need to spend the rest of this day seriously in fasting and prayer so that God can wake you up from your dead slumber. Because what you didn't know about Judge Sonia Sotomayor is not that she's a Latina. What you didn't know about her is that just 1 month ago, Judge Sonia Sotomayor was a part of an elite pagan group that practiced occult satanic rituals. That's right. Just 1 month ago, Judge Sonia Sotomayor, our new Supreme Court Justice, she was a part of an elite pagan group of women that practiced occult, satanic, abominable rituals. But you're saying, Forerunner, you're just coming from the left with this one. Okay, don't believe me, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention to the facts. On June 19th, 2009, this article was released by the New York Times entitled "Sotomayor Resigns from All Women's Club." Judge Sonia Sotomayor, President Obama's nominee for the Supreme Court, resigned Friday from an elite women's club after Republicans questioned her membership. In a letter to Senators Patrick J. Leahy, Democrat of Vermont, and Jeff Sessions, Republican of Alabama, Judge Sotomayor said she was convinced that the club, the Belizean Grove, did not practice invidious discrimination and that her membership in it did not violate judicial ethics. But she said she did not want questions about it to distract anyone from my qualifications and record. The Belizean Grove bills itself as women's answer to the 130-year-old all-male Bohemian Club in California. According to the Belizean Grove's very own website, it says here, having observed the power of the Bohemian Grove, a 130-year-old elite old boys network of former presidents, businessmen, military, musicians, academics, and nonprofit leaders, and realizing that women didn't have a similar organization, Susan Soderberg and 26 other founding members created the Belizean Grove, a constellation of influential women who are key decision makers in the profit, non-for-profit, and social sectors who build long-term mutually beneficial relationships in order to both take charge of their own destinies and help others to do the same. The Grove is an international nurturing network that helps women pursue more significant dreams, ambitions, purposes, transcendence, and spiritual fulfillment, while also opening up more leadership opportunities to these women of diverse backgrounds, talents, ages, and skills. The Grovers are leaders from 5 continents, from profit, nonprofit, and social sectors. They are heads of major government agencies, businesswomen, military officers, academics, nonprofit leaders, musicians, authors, diplomats, and design gurus.